Tamanna, what do you consider about family? To me, family is a group of people who are connected to each other. A family is mainly formed through marital kinship. You know that there are two types of family. One is nuclear and other is extended family. What do you think about these two types of family? A nuclear family is a small family consisting of a husband, wife, and children. On the contrary, an extended family is a big family that consists not only of parents and children but also of grandfather, aunts, etc. From my point of view, nowadays most people are fond of forming nuclear family. A nuclear family is supposed to be less troublesome. Yeah, on the contrary, an extended family is supposed to be noisier. It is thought that more troublesome situations take place in an extended family. Day to day, living expenses are increasing, so people do not like to form extended family. But children in a nuclear family feel lonely. They do not get more people to communicate. Yeah, you're right. Children in an extended family do not feel lonely as they always get people for communication. Moreover, modern people like to form nuclear family because of having more peace and prosperity. Actually, the popularity of a nuclear family is more than that of an extended family. Exactly. Okay, I have to go now. Okay.